Students, today we will solve exercise 8C of R.S. Agarwal of class 6th. That is the chapter Algebraic Expression. In this exercise, we will study about simplification. It has given the various terms we have to arrange, add and subtract. So this is known as simplification. As we have studied in previous chapter simplification, in the same way we will solve this chapter. It has first question given 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p minus 5 minus 6p cube plus 2p square minus 8p minus 2 plus 6p plus 8. We will rearrange and collect the like terms. So as we are collecting the like terms, 2p cube and minus 6p cube will come together in one bracket, and next in another bracket minus 3p square and plus 2p square we will put in the another bracket. Next one plus 4p and minus 8p, plus 4p minus 8p and 6p. So 4p, 6p and minus 8p will together, and rest the numbers will remain. So minus 5, minus 2 and plus 8 is remain here. In next line it has been explained 2p and minus 6p, so it became 4p cube minus 4p cube. My mistake, I have written 6p cube here. In the second bracket 3p cube will subtract 3p square, subtract 2p square, so it is become minus p square. And in third bracket 4p plus 6p, it became 10p, and 10p will subtract 8p and getting the answer 2p. And here minus 5 minus 2 adding, and it became minus 7 and plus 8. So plus 8 will subtract 7, it became 1. So it remained 8p cube minus p square plus 2p plus 1. Next question 4 to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x minus 7 plus 7x cube minus x plus 5x square plus 2 minus x square. So in the same way, firstly we will rearrange and collect the like terms. So x to the power 4, is any x to the power 4 is present? Yes, 1x to the power 4 is present here in the last, so we will put together. Next minus 6x cube is given here, then find this is 7x cube, so we will write here minus 6x cube plus 7x cube plus 2x, and this is given 5x square. 5x square is alone, so we will write alone here. 2x is with minus x, 2x with minus x, 2x with minus x we will write, and then minus 7 plus 2, minus 7 plus 2 is written here. Now like terms will add and subtract. X to the power 4 subtracting x to the power 4, it is coming 0. 7x cube minus 6x cube, it becoming minus 1x cube. Next 5x square, can't subtract or add with another term here, 2x minus 1, so it became plus x. 2x minus x is equal to x, and minus 7 plus 2 is equal to minus 5. So we got our answer minus x cube plus 5x square plus x minus 5. Next question is, in this question, this is the typical question, so properly watch this video. So from the sum of 3x square minus 5x plus 2 and minus 5x square minus 8x plus 6, subtract 4x square minus 9x plus 7, means firstly Firstly, starting two terms will add and then it will subtract the third term, means this is the first, and second term will add and it will subtract third term. So I have written in bracket, in middle bracket, and then the small bracket I have written for the addition, and then I have written minus and the third term. So here, open the bracket, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 minus 5x square. When second bracket will open, it will write minus 5x square minus 8x plus 6, and minus in the bracket 4x square minus 9x plus 7. So firstly we will put the like term of the first bracket. So 3x square minus 5x square put together, minus 5x minus 8x put together, and 2 and 6 put together. Now 5x square will subtract 3x square and getting the answer minus 2x square, and 5 and 8x it became 13x, and 6 to 8, and minus 4x square 9x plus 7. Now whenever bracket will open, in that condition, when this second bracket will open, all the signs will be changed because a minus sign is present outside of the bracket. So open the bracket, 2x minus 2x square minus 13x plus 8. First expression can't be changed because plus sign, either no any sign is given before the bracket, but before the second bracket there was a sign of minus, so every number will be changed. Plus 4x square change into minus 4x square, minus 9x change into plus 9x, plus 7 change into minus 7. So we will put together the like terms, minus 2x square minus 4x square. Both are negative numbers, so they will add and getting the answer minus 6x square. And second, 13x and 9x. So minus 13x plus 9x. One is negative and one positive. So it means they will subtract. These numbers will subtract. So we are getting 13 minus 9 is equal to 4x. Minus 13 was greater, so we will put a sign of minus. And 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Next question of it. Question number 8. It is very interesting question. It has given if a is equal to 7x square plus 5x minus 9y square, b is equal to minus 4x square plus xy plus 5y square, and value of c is given 4y square minus 3x square minus 6xy. So it is telling that show that all these three expressions, so the sum of all these three expressions will be 0, means a plus b plus c is equal to 0. In place of a, we will write 7x square plus 5x minus 9y square. In place of b, we will write minus 4x square plus xy plus 5y square. And in third term, we will write as in different way it has written, as you can see, 4y square minus 3x square plus minus 6xy. So we have to be careful about it, that whatever the number we are going to write, that are like terms or not. So only minus 3x will write just under of the x squares, and then minus 6xy and minus 4y square. Here it has given these two minus terms will add and become minus 7x square. So plus 7x square minus 7x square. Next term, these two terms are plus, so plus 6xy minus 6xy. And the next 9y square is here, and then addition of 5y square and 4y square is become 9y square. So all the numbers are same, but they have the different sign. So 7x square will subtract 7x square, 6xy will subtract 6xy, and minus 9y square will subtract plus 9y square. So it is getting 4. Now it is completely proved that it is correct. Next question, what must be added? What must be added? Mean what should we add in 5x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 7 to make it x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 1. We don't know what the number we should add in 5x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 7 to make it x cube plus 7x square minus x plus 1. So we will assume a number. We can't assume x because many x are given here. So whenever any like term will be there, then can be added. So we will take a different variable. So I have taken here, let the number added be x. I have assumed t. Now 5x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 7 is added with t and getting the answer x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 1. So this term, the first term is adding with t. First term is adding with t. So whenever it will transfer another side, it will do just opposite work, means subtraction. So x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 1 will subtract 5x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 7. Now we have to open the bracket, and the whenever bracket will open, second bracket, each term of the second bracket sign will be changed. So x cube plus 3x square plus minus x plus 1. So bracket opened and it became changed minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus 6x minus 7. So we will put together the like terms, x cube and minus 5x cube. So minus 5x cube will subtract x cube to getting the answer minus 4x cube, and 3x cube will add with 3x square will add with 2x square, it is getting 5x square. Next, minus x minus 6x, both are negative terms, so they will add together and it will minus 7x, and minus 7 will subtract plus 1, so getting the answer minus 6. So we should add minus 4x cube plus 5x square minus 7x minus 6 with 5x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 7 to getting the answer x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 1. Next question of it, what must be subtract from a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 to obtain a square minus 2a plus 1. So we don't know what we have to subtract to get this number. So I have assumed a number. So any variable you can take by own self. Either you can take own name also. So I have taken n. Let the number subtracted be n. So I have subtracted a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 minus n is equal to a square minus 2a plus 1. So here if n is subtracting, so when n will transfer another side, then it will do a work of addition. So we have to change it. So it became a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 is equal to a square minus 2a plus 1 plus n. So it means whenever a square minus 2a plus 1 will transfer another side, it will do a work of subtraction. So I have written here a in first bracket a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 is subtracting the second bracket in which it has given a square minus 2a plus 1. So n is equal to, bracket became opened, a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6, and when bracket became opened, the sign became changed. Plus a square change into minus a square, minus 2a change into plus 2a, and plus 1 change into minus 1. So we will put together the like terms. There is no any cube is given instead of a cube, so it will write separately. Now 4a square and a minus a square, minus 4a square and minus a square will write together, and after the addition both are negative terms, so they will add, so it became minus 5a square. Next, 5a plus 2a, both are positive terms, so they can easily add, it became 7a. And minus 6 and minus 1, both are negative term though, so they can also add, it became minus 7. So the number which we have to subtract from a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 is a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 7. Next question, how much less than x minus 2y plus 3z is 2x minus 4y minus z? Means this second number is the less than the first. This is the first number, this is the second number. So easily we can say that second number is less than first number. So we have to subtract. For getting how much it is less, we have to subtract second number from first, second expression from first. So 2x subtract 2x minus 4y minus z from x minus 2y plus 3z. So as I have explained, whenever from is given during the subtraction, in that condition we will change the second term into first term and first term into second term. So for second term, x minus 2y plus 3z became first, x minus 2y plus 3z became first, and minus 2x minus 4y minus z. So when bracket will open, bracket became open, so x minus 2y plus 3z and the second term, the terms present in the second bracket, their sign will be changed. So plus 2x change into minus 2x, minus 4y change into plus 4y, minus z change into plus z. So here we will put together the like terms. So x and 2 minus 2x, x minus 2x, minus 2y plus 4y, minus 2y plus 4y, plus 3z plus z. So minus 2x will subtract x. Whenever no any number is given before the variable, then 1 is present. So 2 minus 1 is equal to minus x. And 4 will subtract, 4y will subtract 2y to getting the answer 2y. And the third 3x plus z, 3z plus z is equal to 4z. This will be answer. Next question. Question number 15. It is telling that subtract the sum of 5x minus 4y plus 6z and minus 8x plus y minus 2z from the sum of 12x minus y plus 3z and 3x plus 5y minus 8z. Means first group, this is the two expressions of the first group. These will add and it will subtract from the sum of the second expressions, sum of the group of second expressions. So I have written here firstly sum of first group minus sum of second group. Two expressions are present in each group, so we will write here 12x, it has written in the next line, 12x minus y plus 3z plus minus 3x plus 5y minus 8z and curly bracket of minus, and then second curly bracket is started, in the bracket 5x minus 4y plus 6z plus minus 8x plus y minus 2z. So both brackets will open, all the brackets will open and their numbers will add. Firstly it will add, then we will subtract. 12x minus y plus 3z minus 3x plus 5y minus 8z minus and then bracket 5x minus 4y plus 6z minus 8x plus y minus 2z. So we will put together the like terms. So 12x minus 3x minus y plus 5y 3z minus 8z, and then minus sign is there, and now in the second bracket 5x minus 8x minus 4y plus y and plus 6z minus 2z. Next 12x will subtract 3x getting the 9x, and 5y will subtract 1y to getting the answer 4y, and minus 8z will subtract 3z, so it is getting the answer minus 5z. Now in the second bracket minus 8x will subtract 5x, it is getting minus 3x, and minus 4y will subtract y to getting the answer minus 3y, and 6z will subtract 2z, so it is getting the answer 4z. Now when bracket will open, the second bracket's terms sign will be changed. So first bracket terms were 9x plus 4y minus 5z, and the second bracket opened, minus 3x became changed into plus 3x, minus 3y changed into plus 3y, and 4z became changed into plus 4z became changed into minus 4z. Now we will put together the like terms. So 9x plus 3x, 4y plus 3y, minus 5z minus 4z. So 9 3 12x, 4 3 7y, and 5 minus 5z minus 4z became minus 9z. Next question. This is the last question of this video, and you have to solve rest of the question of this exercise in your fair copy and handle the problems. By how much does 1 exceed to getting the answer 2x minus 3y minus 4? Means what should we add in 2x minus 3y minus 4 to getting the answer 1? So we don't know what we have to add, so I have written it is adding with t and getting the answer 1. So t is equal to 1 minus 2x minus 3y minus 4. So when bracket will open, their sign will be changed. So bracket open, 1 minus 2x plus 3y plus 4. So we will put together the like terms. So 4 and 1 are constant, these two terms are like terms, so we will put together. So 4 plus 1 is written together. So rest of the terms will write as same as they are present. So minus 2x plus 3y plus 5 is the answer. Now our exercise completed, and you have to complete your copy with help of these videos. I hope that you are better understanding with the help of this video, and like this video, subscribe and share with your friends.